in writing. And we know that last week we started writing an essay about the problems that red tide has caused in Florida. And we are actually participating in that Beat the Clock challenge. So if you see this question right here that we're working on this week, again, we're focusing on how we can manage our time to be able to read, plan, write, edit, and revise an informational essay in just 2 hours, right? We know that as writers, we're also put on that time constraint. So managing our time, and that's going to continue to be our focus this week. So we know that on Friday, we started a Word document where we are typing some of those paragraphs, right? We wrote our introduction and our first body paragraph together last week. And on Monday, you can see here, we're going to continue using that Word document. However, if you can see here, we are not going to focus on writing during our live meeting like we have been. We're going to review math so that you guys feel really good and ready for your benchmark test on Tuesday. So on your own today, after that review of math, at some point during the day, you are going to need to write on your own your second body paragraph for that red tide essay. You're going to open that Word document that we've been using and type your second body paragraph. So already by Monday, you should have your introduction and your first body paragraph. Now you're going to add your second body paragraph. On Tuesday, you are not going to have any additional writing assignments. So basically on Tuesday, you're going to come to campus or at home, you're going to complete the math benchmark assessment, right? After that, the only work that you will have to complete is going to be in reading. So there are no writing, no additional math, and no science assignments for Tuesday. On Wednesday, we are going to meet. We will participate in the Beat the Clock challenge again. We are going to write our third body paragraph during this time. After the meeting, you guys are going to need to type your third body paragraph into that Word document that we are using. And then on Thursday, if you guessed we're going to write the conclusion, you are correct. We're going to meet at 9 o'clock. We're going to spend about 10 minutes writing our conclusion and then giving you guys a chance to type your conclusion paragraph in the Word document. Finally, on Friday, we are going to meet. Hopefully you have a chance to read your completed red tide essay to a family member. You can make any necessary revisions or edits to your essay. So your family members, guys, they can give you advice, right? They might tell you that maybe this sentence or this paragraph is a little confusing, or maybe they noticed something you forgot to include. But you can go through and make those changes, but please do that on your own. You can take the advice from your family members, but do not ask mom or dad or a sibling or a grandparent to go ahead and write your essay for you. Please do that on your own. Finally, you're going to upload the completed Word document, so the one you've been typing in all week, and I will help you guys through that process of uploading that to this assignment completion tab here. Let me know if you guys have any questions in writing. I cannot wait to read what you have written about red tide.